Good morning, student. Welcome back to our English class, and I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again. So now, student, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. But before we get started with our wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Excellent. Now let's stand up, stand up. We're going to sing and dance along together with this song. It's called Hello Song. Don't forget to set up like this. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch your
Let's
arms?
high.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
And
say
you say
hello?
hello. Good job. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch your thighs? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
And
say
you say
hello?
hello. That's it. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you would say hello. Wonderful students. Now let's move to the next song. And this song is called Wiggly Woo. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Alright, now let's sing and dance together with Wiggly Woo. Don't forget to set up again.
Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Let's all do the wiggly woo. Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Woo, woo, wiggly woo. Swing your arms round and round.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tap your 2 feet on the ground.
Tap your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Clap your hands in front of you.
Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's how you do the wiggly woo. Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Let's all do the wiggly woo. Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Woo, woo, wiggly woo. Wiggle your fingers all about.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake your head till the hair sticks out. Kick your legs like dancers do.
Kick your legs.
That's how you do the wiggly woo. Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Let's all do the wiggly woo. Wiggly woo, wiggly woo. Woo, woo, wiggly woo.
Last step of this song.
Woo!
Good job, students. Alright, now let's move to the next song. This one is our entry song. Let's sing and dance together. Alright. English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, birds.
And today we are still with our wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank You Birds. But before we get started with our story, let's answer the question, student. Alright, teacher have some question that teacher want to know. Let's begin with the first question. Listen carefully. This question is, students, how are you today? How are you? Can you answer this question? How are you? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
Oh, you say no. If you are not sleepy. Or are you sad? Are you sad?
No, teacher.
Oh, no again. If you are not sleepy. If you are not sad. Or are you angry? Angry. Are you angry?
No.
Oh, you say no again. So, how are you today? What about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, this time you will say, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
That's it. Now let's do it again one more time. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Wonderful. Now let's move to the next question, student. This question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Repeat this question after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
That's it. And then, can you answer this question? How's the weather? Now, let's look at the window. Wow, look at the outside. And then tell me, how's the weather? Let's see.
It's windy.
Today, is it windy? Is it windy? Yes or no?
No.
No, good job. It's not windy. If it's not windy, what about this one?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Back to you, student. Today, is it cloudy? Is it cloudy? Yes or no?
No, teacher.
No, today is not cloudy. That's it. If it's not windy and it's not cloudy, what about this one?
It's rainy.
Is this rainy? Rainy. Is this rainy? Yes or no?
No again.
No again, it's not rainy. So, how's the weather? What about this one?
It's sunny.
And this one, students. Today, is it sunny? Sunny. Is it sunny? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that says this one is the correct one. Today it's sunny. Now let's repeat this sentence after me. Listen carefully again.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Well done. Now let's do it again one more time. And this time, don't forget to act like this when you say it's sunny. Alright, one more time, please.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to the next question. And this question is, don't forget to listen carefully.
What day is it today?
Repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
And student, can you answer this question? What day is it today? Now, let's choose the correct answer. Let's see.
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday. This one, is this correct? Yes or no?
No.
No, good job. Today is not Thursday. This one is not correct. Let's find out another answer. What about this one?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
No, teacher.
No, that's it. This one is not correct too. Today is not Monday. Now let's find out another answer. What about this one, students?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. And this one, is this correct? Today is Saturday. It would be yes or no.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, are you sure?
Yes.
Good job. This one is the correct answer. Listen carefully again.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Now let's repeat this sentence after me.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Great work. Alright, students, now get back to our story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. And today we are going to watch our story from the story box. And after that, we are going to read our storybook from our wonderful storybook. Alright, students, now are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's move to story box.
Storybox.
Let's pay attention.
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Oh, student, now this poor little boy, he getting hungry. Oh, and then he told his dad, I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have? And then his dad said, oh, honey, now we have just only one orange. But that's for Mom. This one orange is for his mom. Poor little boy. Now let's see what will happen next. And then in the
Dad,
evening,
look.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Oh, that bird has stolen their fruit.
That orange was for Mom. Oh, poor boy. Let's help him. Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, now they look so sad because the orange was stolen by the birds. And then the little boy, he is crying. And suddenly, this bird heard about that and they are going to help them. How? Let's pay attention, students. Oh, now they are going to help them.
Stop.
Oh, but
Stop.
they don't know.
Stop.
This is
Go
stop.
away!
Then go away.
What are they, Dad?
And then the next day in the morning, now they are waking up, and then the little boy, he asks to his dad, oops, look at the window. What are they, Dad? Student, can you remember? What are they at the outside?
Orange.
Orange. Alright, now let's find out together. Let's see.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
Good job, they are oranges. Now we have a lot of oranges. And this one is a orange tree. It's an orange tree.
What are they, Dad?
one. This little boy, he asks to his dad again. What are they, Dad? Is the back one. So, student, can you remember what are they?
Apples.
Apples. Maybe. Now let's find out together. Look.
Wow! They are apples!
It's a big apple tree.
Alright, good job. This one is a big apple tree and it have a lot of apples.
What are they, Dad?
And then the next one. What are they, Dad? The yellow one. Student, can you remember what are they?
Bananas.
Bananas. Maybe. Now let's find out together with the yellow one. Let's see.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
Oh, it's the banana trees.
Mom, look! I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's have together.
Now they have a lot of fruits. And they look happy to have some fruits together.
Thank you, birds.
And finally, they say thank you to these birds. Thank you, birds. Now, end up of our story. Alright, students, let's move to the next part that teacher told you. Today, we are going to read our story from part of reading. Now, students, if you got the book of Thank You Bird, now please bring your storybook. This one is your storybook. Please bring it beside you. You can use this book by open and then read along together. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's move to part of reading.
Reading.
Alright, students, let's begin with the title of our storybook. Let's listen carefully.
Thank you, birds.
Repeat after me. Thank you, birds. Your turn.
Thank you, birds.
Good job. Let's begin with the first page of this story. Look. Alright, now listen carefully again.
I'm hungry, Dad.
I'm hungry, Dad. Your turn.
I'm hungry, Dad.
After that, this boy he say,
What do we have?
what do we have? Your turn.
What do we have?
Excellent. And now we move to his dad. And this part, this man, he said,
We have one orange.
we have one orange. Your turn.
We have one orange.
Good job. And the next sentence is,
But that's for Mom.
but that's for mom. Your turn.
But that's for Mom.
Alright, good job. Let's move to the next page of this story. Now we move to page 2. And then in the evening, this little boy, he said,
Dad, look!
repeat after me. Dad, look. Your turn.
Dad, look.
After that, his dad, he said,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
stop, stop, go away. Your turn.
Stop, stop, go away.
Excellent. And then move to page 3 of this story. Look at page 3, student. Now, an orange was stolen already. And now, look at this boy. He is crying. And he said,
That orange was for Mom!
repeat after me. That orange was for mom. Your turn.
That That orange was for Mom.
Good job. And suddenly, these birds, they heard about that. These little birds say,
Oh, poor boy.
repeat after me. Oh, poor boy. You turn.
Oh, poor boy.
And the next one.
Let's help him.
Let's help him. You turn.
Let's help him.
Excellent. And then, this bird, he said,
How?
how? You turn.
How?
And this bird is say,
I have an idea.
I have an idea. You turn.
I have an idea.
Excellent. Now move to page 4. Look at page 4. Now these birds, they are going to help this family, but they didn't know. And this boy, he said,
Stop.
stop. You turn.
Stop.
And then back to his dad. His dad said,
Stop! Stop! Go away!
stop, stop, go away. You turn.
Stop. Stop. Go away.
That's it. And then move to the next page of this story. We move to page 5. Look at page 5. Now it's the next day in the morning. This little boy, he said,
What are they, Dad?
what are they, Dad? You turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. Oh, he asking to his dad, what are they, Dad? Alright, let's see. And back to his dad. This part, he said,
They are oranges.
they are oranges. You turn.
They are oranges.
Excellent.
It's an orange tree.
It's an orange tree. You turn.
It's an orange tree.
Good job. Alright, now move to the next page. Alright, and this boy, he asks to his dad again.
What are they, Dad?
Repeat after me. What are they, Dad? You turn.
What are they, Dad?
Good job. He's asked his dad again. What are they, Dad? It's the back one. Let's find out together on the next page. In this part, his dad said,
Wow! They are apples.
wow, they are apples. You turn.
Wow, they are apples.
And then get back to this boy. He say,
It's a big apple tree.
it's a big apple tree. You turn.
It's a big apple tree.
Wonderful. Now let's move to page 9. Look at page 9. And this time, this boy, he asks to his dad again. He said,
What are they, Dad?
what are they, Dad? You turn.
What are they, Dad?
Alright, good job. What are they, Dad? And the back one. And move to the next page. Let's see. And then, now back to his dad. And this man, he said,
These are bananas.
these are bananas. You turn.
These are bananas.
Good job. And back to this little boy. He said,
It's a banana tree.
it's a banana tree. You turn.
It's a banana tree.
Excellent. Now let's move to page 11. Look at this. Now they have a lot of fruits over there. And this part, this little boy, he said,
Mom, look.
Mom, look. You turn.
Mom, look.
I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Repeat after me. I have oranges. You turn.
I have oranges,
Apples
apples,
and bananas.
and bananas.
That's it. And then back to his dad. This part he said,
Have some apples.
have some apples. You turn.
Have some apples.
And back to his mom. This part she said,
Let's have together.
let's have together. Your turn.
Let's have together.
Alright, now they have some fruits together. Move to the next page. Look at them. Now they look happy. And then they said,
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Your turn.
Thank you, birds.
Excellent. Now end up of our story. So students, don't forget to try to read our story from the storybook. Now we move to the next part. In this part, we are going to do our exercise together. Which part of workbook?
Workbook.
Alright students, now please bring your workbook or worksheet beside you. We are going to do our worksheets together. And please open your workbook on page 10 and 11. Like this. This one, page 10 and 11. It looks like this, student. And this part, don't forget to find out your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. So, student, this part of our activity is, what is it? What is it? We are going to look at the picture. This one. Now, teacher have 4 pictures. And then we are going to choose the correct answer that match to the pictures. Now let's focus with this one, the green one. Look at this picture, student. This part, this little girl, she said, repeat this question after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Good job. So student, now back to you. Let's look at this picture. What is it? And then let's find out the correct answer. What is it? It would be, it's a tree. It's a tree, or it's an apple. It's an apple. Which one is the correct one? Is this an apple?
No.
Oh no, it's not correct. And what about this sentence? It's a tree. It's a tree. Is this a tree?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, it's a tree is the correct one. Now, student, let's check the correct answer by making the mark. You have to making the mark like this. It's a tree. Like this. Alright, keep following. And then, let's read the sentence one more time. Repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
And the answer of this question is, it's a tree. Your turn.
It's a tree.
One more time, please. It's a tree. Your turn.
It's a tree.
Excellent. Now, let's move to the orange one. Look at this orange one. And let's forget with these pictures. Look at this picture, student. This part, this boy, he asks, listen carefully and then repeat it. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
So, let's look at the picture. What is it? And the answer is would be, they are trees. They are trees. Or the next answer, it's a lemon. It's a lemon. Which one is the correct one? It would be, they are trees. Is this correct? They are trees.
No.
Oh no, they are not trees. And what about this answer? It's a lemon. It's a lemon. Is this a lemon?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, good job. This one is lemon. Now, let's check the correct answer by making the mark like this. Alright, students, keep following. And then we are going to read the sentence again. Repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
And then move to the answer. It's a lemon. Your turn.
It's a lemon.
Well done. Alright, student, keep following. Now let's move to the blue one. Look at this one. And student, move to this little boy. He say, What are they? Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Good job. Now student, let's look at this window. This picture, sorry. Look at this picture. What are they? And the answer is would be they are birds. They are birds or they are bananas. They are bananas. Which one is the correct one? They are bananas. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it's not correct. It's not bananas. And what about this one? They are birds. They are birds. Are they birds?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, this one is the correct one. They are birds. Now, let's check this correct answer by putting the mark like this again. Alright, now have you finished?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Now, let's read the sentence. Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
And move to the answer. They are birds. Your turn.
They are birds.
That's it. Alright, student. Now, let's move to the pink one. Look at this one. And this little girl, she said, repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Good job. And then let's look at this picture, student. What are they? And this one would be, it's a strawberry. It's a strawberry. Or they are strawberries. They are strawberries. Alright, student. Now let's take a look. Is it a strawberry? Is this only one strawberry?
No, teacher.
Oh no, there are 3 strawberries. And what about this answer? They are strawberries. They are strawberries. This one, is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. This one is the correct one. They are strawberries. Alright, now let's check the correct answer like this. And then let's read the sentence. Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Move to the answer of this question. They are strawberries. Your turn.
They are strawberries.
Well done, student. Alright, student. Now we have done already with this part of activities. What is it? So, are you finished?
Yes.
Good job. Alright. Now let's move to the next part. In this part, we are going to have fun together with part of student book.
Student book.
And this activity is social studies. We call be kind to each other.
Be kind to each other.
Fold along the lines and say it.
Alright, student. And this part, we are going to read the sentence from each situation. Now, let's begin with the first situation. Look at this one.
Let's play together.
Thank you.
Alright, student. Now, let's look at this boy. He doesn't have any friend. And then, this boy get into him. And then he said, listen carefully.
Let's play together.
Repeat after me. Let's play together. Your turn.
Let's play together.
Good job. And then this boy, he said,
Thank you.
thank you. Your turn.
Thank you.
Good job. This boy, he's so kindly. He asks this boy to play together. And finally, they are friends. Alright, now let's move to the next situation. Look at this one.
You can use my crayons. Thank you.
Alright, student, and this situation is in the classroom. And look at this little girl. Student, she doesn't have any crayons or pencils or colors. And after that, this boy, look, what does he have? What does he-
Crayons.
Good job. He has crayons. And then he said, listen carefully.
You can use my crayons.
You can use my crayons. You turn.
You can use my crayons.
Good job. Now he is sharing some crayons to the little girl. And then this girl, she said,
Thank you.
repeat after me. Thank you. You turn.
Thank you.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to the next situation. Look at this boy.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
Alright, and this situation, student, let's forget with this lady. Oh, now he hold on a lot of books and it's too heavy. After that, this little boy, he said,
I'll help you.
repeat after me. I'll help you. You turn.
I'll help you.
Good job. After that, this lady, she said,
Thank you.
thank you. You turn.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much for help me. And then move to the next situation. Student, let's look at this girl.
Let's share. Thank you.
Alright, student, look at these girls. They are friends and they are playing together. Now they have just only one toy. But student, look at these girls. She has a lot of toys. And then this girl, she said,
Let's share.
repeat after me. Let's share. You turn.
Let's share.
And then these girls, they say,
Thank you.
thank you. You turn.
Thank you.
Alright, good job, student. Now end up all part of be kind to each other. So, student, and today we are going to learn how to sing and dance with our new song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, now let's move to the new song. And this song we call What Do You Have? Alright, student, let's listen carefully.
What do you have?
Oh, what do you have?
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons.
Alright, student, and this song we call What Do You Have? Today we are going to learn how to sing and we are going to practice how to dance with this song. Alright, student, now let's learn how to sing with this song. What do you have? And the first section of this song is sing. Listen carefully.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
And then try to sing after me. Repeat after me. I'm hungry. so hungry. You turn.
I'm hungry, so hungry.
And then, oh, what do you have? You turn.
Oh, what do you have?
Good job. Move to the next part of this song.
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
And try to sing after me. Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples. You turn.
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
Good job. Move to the next section of this song.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Alright, now try to sing after me again. I'm hungry, so hungry. Back to you.
I'm hungry, so hungry.
Good
Oh,
job. Alright, good job. And then the next part, repeat after me. Oh, what do you have? You turn.
oh, what do you have?
That's it. And then the next part of this song is sing.
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
Alright, repeat this part after me. Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges. You turn.
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
Good job. And then move to the next part of this song is sing.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
And then sing this part after me. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? You turn.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Well done. Alright, move to the next part of this song.
Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas.
Repeat after me. Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. You turn.
Banana, banana. Oh, I have some bananas.
Wonderful. And then move to the next part of this song.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
And then repeat this section after me again. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? You turn.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Good job. Alright, student. Now we move to the last section of this song.
Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons.
And then repeat this section after me. Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons. You turn.
Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons.
Good job, student. Now let's stand up. We are going to practice how to stand with this song. Alright, student. The first section. I'm hungry, so hungry. You have to act like this. Act like you got a stomach ache. Like this. I'm hungry, so hungry. Like this. And then part of, oh, what do you have? You have to act like this. Start with your start with your right side like this. Oh, what do you have? Like this. Start with your right side and then switch to left side like this. Oh, what do you have? Like this. And then move to part of apples. Apple, you have to act like this. Apples, apples. And then, oh, I have some apple. You have to move your hand like this. Begin with your right side and then move to left side like this. Oh, I have some apple like this. And parts of oranges. It's the same with the part of apple. And this part is in oranges. Oranges. And then, oh, I have some oranges like this. And part of bananas, student. Parts of bananas, you have to act like this. Bananas. It's like a shapes of the banana like this. Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas like this. Alright, and now move to parts of melon. 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 You have to act like this again. Melons, melons. And then, oh, I have some melon. Move to your right side and then switch to left side again like this. Alright, student. Now let's practice how to sing and dance along with part of warm up.
Warm up.
And this song is called What Do You Have? Student, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good job. Now let's sing and dance together.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons.
Alright, good on you, student. And let's practice more with this song. Let's sing and dance one more time, students. And don't forget to sing louder too.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Melons, melons. Oh, I have some melons.
Alright, wonderful, student. Don't forget how to sing and dance with this song. What do you have? Alright, student, for today is thumbs up, and then we have to say goodbye. Now, let's sing and dance with our last song for today.